Let it go, let it go. And I'm back. Hello there guys, thank you for clicking. My name is TammyKikoy and we will be doing another reaction video of Mika singing Let It Go. Let It Go. They got 1.1 million views and I think their video got viral last year, 2015 in the Philippines because of the rendition. And we actually already reacted to Soyang singing this song. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation.
Every time I hear this song, I remember my daughter.
Like I'm the queen.
She loves this
The
song.
wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I tried. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on. Woo! My power flurries through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen fractals, frozen fractals. And one thought crystallizes like an icy, like an icy. I'm never going back. The past has in the past is in my past. Let it go, let it go, and rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. The perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. The cold never bothered me anyway. I'm sorry.
Very nice rendition of Let It Go. They did great with this song. The vocal runs, the vocal quality, and the high notes and all the notes. The blending is very good. They coincide perfectly. And I know they're making their name now in the UK, but I'm a bit sad because they did not debut in Korea. But they were known in Korea. A lot of people know them, especially the Filipino people in Korea. And I heard that they will be having an album in the US. I'm not sure. I'll be waiting for that album and I'll be making a reaction video for that. I'm very happy that they were so successful now. And anyways guys, if you're not yet part of the family, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And if you like this video, click the like button and share it if you like it or if you like it. Yeah. If you don't like this video, okay, comment down below because I want your honest opinion so that I can make better videos in the future. And guys, please don't forget to click the bell button beside the subscribe button for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. Nakapagod ng English.